Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, I can feel spring in the air and I love it. Anyway, I thought today would be a perfect day to go for a drive and take my camp kitchen setup with me, uh, show you everything inside, and I'll put it to good use and cook some breakfast. So let's get going. I'm starving and I will talk to you soon. All right, here's everything packed in the back of the Bronco, ready to go. Fits nicely. So let's close this up. And let's get going. I've been overlanding for over 30 years now. Overlanding or adventure travel. And I've had my fair share of failed camp dinners. My philosophy now is to keep my setup practical and to make sure that I cook something good every single day. No gourmet nonsense. When I get there, I will walk you through my practical system and then I'll cook something simple for breakfast. If you're into practical content and you're the kind of person who still feels the pull of hitting the road, subscribe. We will keep exploring together. Hi. Start again. But I want to go through our camp kitchen and I'll go through everything quickly here and show you what's in this box. The box itself is a collapsible box from Amazon. So on this side we got some collapsible plates. Kind of using those less and less, but they're still in here. Got a perfect storage compartment with assorted spices. We've got garlic, oregano, Italian, paprika, non-stick cooking spray, which I will use in a little bit here when I cook some breakfast. Liquid smoke if ever needed. And now I know where my liquid smoke from the house went. Collapsible sink, wash kit, some biodegradable dish soap, a drying mat, and assorted towels and soft sponge. On this side, I've got backpacking pots, just in case we need an extra pot or two. GSI Outdoors, what do they call it? Camp kitchen kit. It's an amazing little set. Comes with plastic cutlery, cutting boards, assorted knives. I added an extra knife and a whisk, some more cleaning supplies, and some more like tongs and a spoon and spatula, which again I will put to use here shortly. I always bring extra utensils, just never know when you need them. Got a little thermos mug, Cabela's camp light that I think we paid like $5 for, coffee grinder, and the magic beans. Oh, it smells so good. And then also have a couple more pots to cook with. Source these from the ones we don't use at home. Over here I have a small frying pan, a percolating coffee maker, and a folding aluminum table. This is everything we use when we are cooking. It fits perfectly in the Bronco. And of course I got a 12-volt cooler. But anyway, I'm going to pack this stuff back in that I'm not using, get cooking some breakfast. I'm starving. All right, I already got the coffee going. Hasn't started perking yet. Get the food ready and start cooking. So I'm doing a simple one-pan meal. I grabbed some leftovers from dinner last night, some fajita chicken. I'm just going to scramble those. And I lost my camera. Coffee's perking perfectly. Put a little bit of shredded cheese on there. Melt that in. Once that melts, should be good to go. There we go. Perfect cup of coffee. Looks delicious. Mm. That is so good. That fajita chicken and peppers and scrambled eggs with cheese mixed in. Easy one-pan meal. It'll be easy cleanup, but I am going to sit and enjoy this. And oh yeah, let's try the coffee first. That's absolutely amazing as well. Well, that's the whole setup. It's practical, it's not complicated. If you have any questions about anything that I've shown you, please ask them in the comments, and I will get back to every single one of them. If you'd like to see where I take this next, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next journey. Have a great day.